Welcome to Travel Nation. Today, we have a major safety update for Ford truck owners. What's happening? Ford has announced a recall of over 103,000 F-150 trucks because of a problem with the rear axle hub bolt. This bolt can weaken over time, eventually snapping. If that happens, it can damage the rear hub splines. The result is serious. The truck may lose drive power while moving, or even roll away while parked if the parking brake isn't engaged. Which trucks are affected? Model years: 2023, 2024, and some 2025 F-150s. Equipment package: trucks fitted with the Trailer Tow Max Duty package and a 9.75-inch heavy-duty axle with a 3/4 float design. Production dates: from January 2023 through May 2025. Recall IDs: Ford internal number 25S82, and the federal recall number 25 volts 512. Estimated distribution: roughly 45,000 from 2023, 38,000 from 2024, and 20,000 from 2025. Why it's happening? The recall comes after engineers found that the axle hub bolt can fatigue under certain conditions. When it fails, the connection between the axle and wheel hub can be compromised. That means torque doesn't transfer properly to the wheels, which could lead to loss of propulsion on the road. In park, without the added security of the parking brake, the truck might roll unexpectedly. Warning signs for owners: drivers may hear specific noises that signal a problem. A clicking sound from the rear axle could mean the bolt is loosening. A rattling noise could mean the bolt has already broken. Both are early warnings that should not be ignored. Ford's response: Ford dealers will replace both rear axle shaft assemblies at no cost to owners. This is a full repair designed to eliminate the risk entirely. Notification letters to affected owners will begin going out in August 2025 and continue in phases through May 2026. Even before the letter arrives, owners can check their truck's VIN online to see if it is covered. What owners should do now: 1. Check your VIN number on Ford's official recall website or through the NHTSA recall tool. 2. Always set the parking brake when parking, even if the truck is in park, until repairs are completed. 3. Listen for unusual sounds at the rear axle, clicking or rattling, and if you hear them, stop driving and contact a Ford dealer immediately. 4. Schedule a free repair as soon as your dealer confirms your vehicle is included. Final notes: this recall is being treated with urgency because of the safety risks involved. Although only about 1% of trucks are expected to actually have the defect, Ford is covering the full affected build window to ensure no driver is put at risk.